Class 11, creating a web page with the Windsurf AI Development tool. This assignment is not required, but you can earn 10 extra credit points by completing it. So basically, during the course of this week's assignment, you are going to create a header, nav, section, article, aside, and footer using those semantically correct tags. You're going to create a web page that has that similar layout. And that's great, and I'm glad that you're doing that. But wouldn't it be wonderful if you had the ability to do that simply by using a web development tool that would do it for you? And that really is something that's happening more and more in the world of web development, and people who know how to use the development tools have the ability to create content much more productively and faster. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download the application, and you can download that. It will know what software that you're supposed to be downloading. If you're a Windows machine or a Mac machine, it will know. And then once you've downloaded that, you're going to create a video showing how you used Windsurf to create a single page of your choice. And these are the built-in tools on your operating system that you can use to create the video, which you will then upload to show me that you've completed this assignment, this extra credit assignment. So, like I said, what I'm going to demonstrate at least is that I can create a page similar to this simply by using the software Windsurf and simply by using some prompts. So I'm going to open up the Windsurf software here, and I'm going to point out a couple of things. There are some extensions over here that you can install. Like, for example, if you typed in HTML, you'd find all of these different extensions that you can install. But my objective today is just to go and show you how I can quickly create a web page. So I'm going to click on this little icon right over here, and it opens up this new cascade window. And I'm going to type a prompt down over here, and the prompt says create a basic page using the following tags: header, nav, section, article, aside, and footer. Make a row 1 header, row 2 nav, row 3 column 1 section, row 3 column 2 article, row 3 and 4 column 2 aside, and row 5 footer. Use Flexbox to generate it. And I'm going to click right over here. It gives me a prompt. I'll create a basic HTML page with the specific semantic tags using Flexbox for layout. Well, that's fantastic. Now all I want to do is see it. So I'm going to click on these little dots, and I'm going to say open preview. Well, first of all, I'm going to say accept all. Okay, and there's the code right over here. It's created all of this code, and it's got a bunch of additional content related to it in this folder here called Cascade Projects. And you see it has a style sheet already that's connected to that. But over here where these 3 dots are, I can click on open preview. And as you see, it's created this page for me. It even added links into my navigation bar. Now there's some spacing here, and one of the things that you should know, of course, is if you do use a tool like this, you want to be able to examine your code and see if there are things that you want to change about it. And I'm not going to spend the time doing that now, but what I wanted you to see was how easily you can simply put in a prompt when you get to this window here, because the default window does not include that. We'll close these other things here. Over here, you can see generate a new project. But the main thing is when you have a screen that's just like this, you can click Cascade, and then you can type in your prompt here, and the rest will happen the way you saw it happen for me. Now, there's tons to explore with this program, but all I want you to do for this assignment is to follow the instructions here of creating a video showing you how you use Windsurf to create a single page of your choice.